Okay. Fifth part. And we got Wayne. Blocking out my face. Wow. We're right in the storm right. We're under a severe thunderstorm right now. I'm gonna catch much as possible on the writing. Let me open this window a little bit. There we go. There we go. Now I got some free space open. We got a storm right now. We got the wind. The wind's gotta be up to 45 miles per hour right now. Supposed to be up to 60, 70 miles per hour winds. This is a bad storm. A bad storm. Which it can take people power out. It can knock national power out area. I was about to go to bed, but I see the weather threat, so I decided to stay up a little longer. Catch this thing. Ooh, that's white. I want to try to say what Rick Nickelbird is saying right now. I know what it looks like. 65 mile per hour winds. I know what it looks. I know what it looks like. Gosh. I know. It's a bad storm. Right here. We hit. I got flashlight just in case the power goes out, which I always show you that. Oh, that was lightning. You guys hear that?
Programming. Sleepbook. You know that sleepbook, the whole thing.
Come on. Any news station I can listen to.
Here's a good one. I was full for 3 days.
God.
To contact his son. And Charlene added that unfortunately...
Oh my God. You guys...
Kids like to make stuff up. Rain traffic. Yeah, 67 and 420 and 66.
Oh man. Heavy rain. If the power goes out, because the power might go out. You know. The power goes out. There's a little white right there, which you can make me see better. I can still see stuff when the power goes out because the red stuff is here. Okay, this is not good. We got a storm. This is a severe thunderstorm. We got 60 mile per hour winds. 70 miles per hour winds. I hate music because music's not good. Let me catch the damn thing. Let me catch it. Let me turn it off. It will beep. Got a flashlight just in case the power goes out. We're in the pink. You guys hear the rain? It's in the water. Now I can keep my butt quiet now so you guys can catch what's in the same. Turn this up, I'll upload another video apart. Oh my god! Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was a bad one. That was a bad one. That one could knock people apart out like the people. There's some people without power right now. I don't know, there's some people without power right now. We might get like around. Oh wait! Oh my god! 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 You guys see that? Holy shit! Dude! Oh my god! This is not good. The best lightning strike of the year right now. Keep my flashlight on. Oh shit. I gotta be careful, man. This one might hit my school. Oh my god. Oh, there's another one. It's gotta be like the best video of the year right now. That lightning strike, it's gotta be about a half a mile away. This is a half mile. That lightning strike is a half a mile away. We'll see. Oh my god. How do you turn it off? Okay. I got the flashlight. Okay, stay out from windows, I guess. Let me check one thing. Okay. Let me stay back a little bit. Let me stay back. Let me stay back and let me zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm far away from the window. I'm facing back. I'm zooming the camera in. Please, if the power goes out, it's gonna be the bestest video of the year. If the power goes out, it's gonna be the bestest video. Damn. Oh my god. Oh my god. Man. When Dad comes home, when my dad come home for work, I'm gonna make him look at this, because that's gotta be like the best lightning strike in the year. And got another one. Hold on. Hold on, we start the video. It's full again.